costumes, so you get all sorts of crazy outfits. We like to have a number of different costumes every year, so every day, every night a different costume.
I've already bumped into people from America, people from France. They come from all over the world to come to Parkes for this one big celebration each year. And there are many, many Elvis impersonators, but there's only one Elvis, but his spirit certainly still lives on.